what to do every time income comes in. I set aside for tithing and taxes. After that, I will allocate and distribute para ma-address yung needs and wants for myself and for my family, for our present and for our future. May isang magandang approach na natutunan ko kay T. Harv Eker. 4 na 10%. Una is FFA, Financial Freedom Account. Ito yung pwede mong pagkuhanan for comfortable retirement. Ito din yung pera that you could turn into an asset para pwede mo ring mapasa sa next generation mo. Yan ang financial freedom account. Yung pangalawang 10 is for play. Importante to reward yourself. Kung ano man yung tinatabi mo regularly, make sure that you reward yourself on a monthly basis. It could be yung massage na kinukuha mo lang pag may pera ka. Hindi yung pinakamura. Or yung ikakain nyo ng family nyo sa restaurant. Hindi nyo pinili yung budget meal lang. You could be creative. Kung meron kang tinatarget na reward na medyo malaki-laki, ipunin mo yung tinatabing 10% and spend it at least once a quarter. Importante talaga to reward yourself regularly para ganahan ka rin to earn income. 10% for continuous education. We cannot grow if we do not know what we need to know. So it's important to continuously learn. You could use the 10% you set aside for education to buy books or to enroll in courses so that you can know better and learn more ways on how to improve your income and improve your life and the life of your family. And another 10% for long-term savings for spending. Dito mo ikakabit yung intended na malalaking gastusin para hindi mo siya inutang. Diba ang hirap? Nag-enjoy ka na tapos may babayaran kang utang. Diba mas maganda na tinatabi mo lang to regularly para pag naabot mo yung target amount dahil regular ka nagtatabi for that travel, for that beautiful expensive bag or that beautiful expensive watch or that nice big TV, hindi mo na iniisip yung kailangan mong bayaran dahil hindi mo na siya inutang. That's what we call long-term savings for spending. So, 4 na yon, 4 na 10%. And merong 50 to 55% that is for your basic needs. At yung huli, 5 to 10% for give. Bakit kailangan ng give envelope or give jar? Para pag may humingi ng tulong or meron kang gustong tulungan, hindi mo kailangan galawin yung intended for other needs and wants, for other purposes. Yun ang magandang gawin every time may pumapasok na income. You distribute, you allocate para natutupad ang needs and wants for the present and for the future, for yourself and for your family. This is Tati. God bless you with an amazing life ahead. Bye!